Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do Chinese. To do it, you need one study chair. To begin, place a study chair behind you, far away from the chair, and put your hands on the edge of the seat. Spread about shoulder width apart. Keep your arms straight and bend your knee so you are most in a seat position in front of the chair. This is the starting position. So next is slowly bend your arm to a 90-degree angle, lowering your entire body. When you reach this angle, hold it for a second before turning your arms against and resume the starting position. This is one rep. Thanks for watching. See you soon.